I'd like to talk a little bit about the Good Heart Award, which Riverside was generous to give me this year. I'm just blessed to have a very successful career, and I enjoy the camaraderie between my partners and myself. We all help each other, and then the help I get from the nurses in the hospital. Getting an award is certainly an interesting concept for a surgeon, because it's not something we are trying to do, but being recognized by the community, especially the hospital group who have worked with me for these years, it really means something to me. When I came to town, there were 3 surgeons in town doing orthopedics, and now we have 13. We have experts now in almost every area of orthopedics, so we call them super specialists rather than subspecialists. So not only all of us have had orthopedic training, but all of us have gone on to specialize in total joints like myself, or sports medicine, hand surgery, foot and ankle surgery, spine treatment. So all of these different specialties really come together to allow me to be an expert in my field. It's been fun to do not only research, but be in a community hospital. And Riverside allows me with streamlined teaming and interviewing of patients to have a high volume practice and still be very successful with it. We have teams that involve everyone, the patients that are brought to the room, the anesthesiology team, which is excellent, and then we have expert nurses and technicians who just have everything I need ready for me when I'm ready to go, and that it translates into the patients getting a much more efficient procedure. For instance, most of the total hip and knee replacements at Riverside, the ones I do, take about 1 hour, and the patients are in recovery room already starting their exercises, and they walk the same day with their full weight on their joints, both the knees and the hips. So we've been able, through scientific study and hospital cooperation, to get people back moving as soon as possible. The last many years, Riverside has achieved 5-star awards in the area of orthopedic surgery, and it involves also total joints, both total hips and total knees. And it's a combination of the hospital's efforts to have quality care in the hospital from beginning to end at the patient's experience. So there's very few complications. Riverside is allowing us to just be the best we can to service the patients in the area. So growth is important, both for myself, our group at OAK Orthopedics, and at Riverside. So I think if we all work together, we will take care of patients in the best way in the future.